Hello everyone. In this video we will about how to create a fake data in .NET. I am creating a API project in which I will generate the data, fake data. So we can use something like .NET new API. So I am creating a project named data API and it is creating the project. I think I did that wrong something. Okay. So I need to do thing like n. N is stand for name. So you can see the project has been created and I can run this. So what I did is I'm starting a thing called watcher thing like just like watcher. So if I make anything changes in my project, it will install the it will compile the project at the same time, like hot reloading kind of thing for mobile application. So if I open this thing, you can see that our project is running. And so you can see that we are getting data from here, and we need to do similar thing for our controller that we are going to make. So we can name it person is also the extension CS, which is used for C sharp code. So this is the structure, and I think we don't have C sharp actions on here. Okay, so this is the issue. I'm using C sharp extension for the programming C sharp in VS Code. If you can install it from going to extension site, searching C sharp, and you need to have this. This will help you to work with the C sharp in VS Code, and using this you can do think like you can work with the C sharp file. Like if you see that this is not giving us intelligence, but it will give after this thing settled. Okay, so This thing might take few minutes. Till then, we can write it. We don't need to install the formatter because this is also contain the formatter for C sharp. I think we need to start it again because it might take few minutes. No, then this is not a issue. So what we need is we need this package. We can add thing like this, and we're simply going to terminal and so you can see that this is formatting the data now, and we can simply write this, and I we need to type a formatted document. I can simply go to this, shift control tab. So this will format our code, and for generating the data I have already installed this package, and we can think like figure dot. So what I am doing is